Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again so much for joining me here. Hoping a great day. Quick look again at KAS, seeing what's going on. We got a potential bullish backtest of this descending trend line. That's a very good sign here, bouncing on that 0.382 fib level, initially rejecting off 0.5. So this is kind of a standard trading scenario here where the price action is more likely to increase. You got to recognize though too, Bitcoin potentially due for a correction, so there's a lot of little caveats here, if you will. But we're going to look at the big picture, kind of see where we're at, work our way down, and go from there. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Not a financial advisor, truly love teaching people to trade though, and I hope you can learn something today. If you do want to become a better trader though, of course, CryptoCache.tech is a website. Keep in mind we have a lot of liquidation down below the price action right now. That's still a standard situation here for KASPA. This is not, derive the price in any direction per se. It just connect kind of like a magnet when you get closer to those levels. So when we see here this 14 cent mark just under, heavy concentration liquidation, there's roughly 78 million. Okay, that may not seem like a lot, but that's a lot for this coin. There's equal amount roughly spread out from 20 to 21 cents upwards of 22. So we got to recognize we're kind of in the middle of that range. So really doesn't matter too much until we get closer, but there is some incentive to push the price action down because of that. But again, KASPA is a very strong coin. I would be, I'd urge caution shorting into this coin unless Bitcoin makes a run towards, low 50s. I think KASPA is here to stay. That's just my personal opinion based on, the weeks of analysis here we've been looking at here, last few months roughly. Okay, so daily time frame. Let's work our way down and see what's going on. So on the daily time frame, we've got this ascending trend line. We're running concurrent with the 50-day SMA, and right now we're kind of hanging out right there at the 50. The 20-day SMA. Let me go ahead and remove this little X marks the spot and just talk a little bit about the 20-day SMA. It's a very beneficial moving average, just kind of letting us know that we're on the right side of tracks in any normal circumstance. So that's a very bullish sign to see that. One thing I'm concerned about is our resistance level at about 17 cents. Haven't officially broken that, but we're right there at that level. So decent chance we're going to see the price action for KASPA continue higher. Having said that, we're over 50 in the RSI, back up over, holding above that for the last 24 to 48 hours. Stochastic is swinging upwards now, and we've got MACD losing its momentum. So these are all good signs here, letting us know strong inclination for the price action to continue higher for KASPA. 4-hour time frame, let's take a quick look here as well. We're over all moving averages minus the 100-day SMA, kind of hanging out right there. That's a good sign generally. 4-hour time frame, we can also recognize we're over 50 on the RSI, stochastic swinging down. We can also see money flow index increasing. These are all positive signs here. Okay, generally speaking, we can also interpret the MACD as plateauing, which implies we could see a reversal, but we're a long ways away from that. The key takeaway here is that we keep retesting this level here, and there's more likelihood of breaking out because of that. This is an ascending type of channel, so if we do tend to take a look here at these, kind of draw it out based on candle bodies, so to speak, we can see the price action working its way up, essentially squeezing, likely to break to the upside. Okay, this is more of a breakout pattern here, if you will. We can also take a look at the hourly and recognize Ichimoku Cloud. Looks like we have all green lights here, ready to rock and roll. And it does look like KASPA wants to continue higher. We're free and clear on the price action, conversion lines over the baseline, and lagging spans free and clear. So the good news is we're over the cloud too. That's right there at that level there, that fib level, that 0.382 at 16.6. So that's essentially the current support level for the moment. Keep in mind when we look at the volume profile here in the most recent past, we can see there is some resistance above us closer to 18 cents. We've talked about that previously. If you're going to go ahead and take a long position, ensure you secure profit sometime before that level, maybe at the 17.6, 17.7 range. That's roughly what I'm thinking. Anyways, KASPA's looking pretty strong here. Again, pending Bitcoin doesn't have an obnoxious drop. I think KASPA is more likely to increase. And even if Bitcoin does drop, I feel like KASPA is going to hold this range here between 15 and 16. Okay, again, that's a rough number there. But generally speaking, we've seen a lot of support in this range here, both previous and current. Okay, all good things there. All right, folks, that's pretty much what we got there. Make sure you hit the like button before you go, and make sure you join us over with BitUnix. Phenomenal exchange. You can trade KASPA here as well. No KYC or VPN required. They're fantastic, phenomenal, whatever word you want to describe it. They've been great to us for the last 10 months. Join us, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, TikTok, and now Shorts on YouTube as well. I hope you all have a great rest of the day. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you soon.